All Indians, my brothers and sisters, I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Brought to you by SRVNs of Grade-VII Jasper. Happy morning, everyone. Today's international and national news are brought to you by Sahasra from Grade-VII Jasper. International news. 40 killed in attack by suspected jihadists in Burkina Faso. National news. Former Karnataka Chief Minister Jagadish Shettar joins Congress. Next, my friend Chaitra will continue state and sport news. Thank you. Today's state and sports news is brought to you by Chaitra from Grade-VII Jasper. State news. GMR Hyderabad International Airport bags 2 awards for landscape. CSK won sports news. CSK won from 8 runs. Happy morning to everybody. Jasper here to brings you weather forecast. Maximum temperature 42 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Mostly sunny. Thank you. And that's the end of the news bulletin.
Today's thought is brought to you by Grade-VII from Grade-VII Jasper. Thought. Today is your opportunity to build tomorrow's what you want. Today, I repeat my thought. Today is your opportunity to build tomorrow you want. Thank you. Next, what will be continued by my friend Rahul.
Today's word is brought to you by K. Rahul from Grade-VII Jasper. Today's word is opportunity. It is a noun. It means a type or set of circumstances to do something. I repeat my word, opportunity. It is a noun. It means a time or a set of circumstances to do something. Friends, please spell after me. Opportunity.
Opportunity.
OPP.
OPP.
OR. TUNITY. Opportunity. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to give you a small information about lemon. It can help you to protect yourself from damage, and at the same time it also repairs damaged cells.
Prevent oxidation. Lemon helps us. Lemon is the powerful antioxidant properties which prevent the cell damages from the oxidant.
Preventing of kidney stones. Lemon water prevents painful stones in those deficient of urinary citrate. It is a form of citric acid. Thank you. To lose your weight, drink lemon juice every morning. Keeps you energetic. Lemons are full of potassium boost. Potassium activates cell receptors and keeps you energized throughout the day. Thank you.
In summer, we can do eat spicy food. After finishing your meal, try to drink a small cup of lemon water. It will increase your digestion as it contains citric acid. Thank you. Best hydrating agent. We generally prefer chill water during summer, but we can upgrade our mood by simply squeezing a lemon in it and hydrating ourselves.
The harmful effect of the lemon. If you suck lemon directly without diluting it in water, it can harm your teeth. And the best time to drink lemon water is in the early morning or after meals. Thank you.
Promise that I'll be good honest person in my society, I'll be good daughter of my parents, I'll be good student of my school, I'll be good sister of my brothers and sisters, and I'll be good friend of my friends. Thank you. I promise that I will be good citizen of my country, good son of my parents, good friend of my friends. Thank you.